definition of American. The 1828 Webster's Dictionary defines an American as a native of America, originally applied to the Aboriginals, or copper-colored races, found here by the Europeans, but now applied to the descendants of Europeans born in America. Your ancestry holds the key. The FAIRE encourages everyone to research their genealogy, connect with historical records, and rediscover their true roots. Every generation carries a piece of the story, one that deserves to be reclaimed. Join us in reclaiming history. Visit the FAIRE today. Connect with your roots and restore your identity.